We all know that old things can be clutter in your life, but did you know that thoughtfully used, you can make it useful for creating something fun? Well, let's see then. What's up with all these spoons, Anna? Well, all right. Here it goes. Take that, Sophie. Anna, that's basically cheating. What? Again? Stop cheating! These spoons can be useful for something else, rather than playing this useless game. Are you leaving? Take an empty plastic bottle and cut the bottom from it. Take the plastic spoon and paint it with yellow paint. Remove the spoon's painted end. Once you put the bottle on the lamp, apply glue on the spoon's top and stick it on the plastic bottle. Keep adding spoons till you'll cover it all. Add green paper on the top to make it look as a beautiful-looking pineapple. Anna, look what I made out of your old spoons. Beautiful, is it not? Fantastic! And this pineapple glows in the dark. Great work, Sophie! Now that's what I call recycling. Well, it's time to get rid of these bottles. Oh, the recycling bin looks full. That's what I thought. Fit, you bottles! Ugh, come on! Somehow you have to fit. Oh well. I think it's no worth fighting. I think this bottle can serve as some serious creative material. Definitely. Take a bottle. Draw lines with permanent marker in what form you would like to cut out from it. Easily cut the form. And paint it with a color of your liking. We're making a cat here. So you can draw eyes and ear lines and color it. Don't forget to draw kitten's whiskers and paint the nose. There you go! What a lovely kitten out of that old bottle! Perfect! That's where I can keep my pens now. Well, let's look. What do we have here? Something really needs to be done here. Let's try cleaning my face a bit. Oh, shoo! Too many cosmetics makes it always so messy. I need to organize everything here somehow. I just might know what actually to do here. Take a bowl and wrap it with plastic paper all around it, from the outside to the inside. Apply some glue on the top and cover the whole bowl with it. Then take an old rope Wrap the very end of it into a thick circle and begin wrapping all around the bowl. Once you're done, leave it till it sticks. After it sticks, remove the bowl from the rope and take out all the plastic out of it. There you go! What a wonderful rope bowl to keep all my cosmetics inside. Easy and simple as it is. Wonderful! Okay, somewhere there should be an answer for this question. Maybe it's in this book. No? This one? Nope. How about this one? Nah, I can't find it anywhere. It's getting too frustrating. Sophie, maybe you want some cereal to ease your frustration. Brilliant. I know. I'll take some. What? Where are you going? Take 3 cereal boxes and stack them in a row. Use a ruler to mark the boxes somewhere in the middle. Flip the boxes and mark it across from the middle higher to the top. Do the same mark up on a higher level where the sideline ends. Cut it according to the marks and add wrapping paper to give the boxes a new texture. Here it goes, a book holder to keep myself organized once and for all. I love it! Oh my God, that's great! Look, I have some books for you. Keeping organized is easier than it looks. All right, are you ready for the last domino run? Do it, girl! Here it goes! Well, that was fast. Sure it was. Talking about the time, do you know that you can make a clock out of dominoes? A clock? Take a piece of a square carton paper, put a hole in the middle. Take a domino piece and on the blank side stick some glue. Do it with multiple pieces, circling around the center. Choose a frame and place the carton paper inside the frame. Behind the carton, add a clock engine, and up front, stick the arrows. You see? I did it! Out of dominoes! I made a clock! Absolutely unbelievable! Told ya it's going to look great! I'll just stick it here on the wall. You're awe-inspiring, girl! Thanks! Let's go do something else. As we mentioned, life is full of all kinds of surprises. But after all, there is a quick fix for most of them. For more videos and more hacks, subscribe to our channel, Wizard School. See you for more magic!